Shalom, Israel. This is Sakana. And first and foremost, I have to give all glory and praise to AHAYAH, Yashaya, QADASH. Okay, guys, I'm going to do a really quick video. I just wanted to throw in my 2 cents about that clock in Times Square. Praise Yashaya. So I went, hold on, let me put on my glasses, guys. I can't see. Hold on. Okay, so I wanted to show you this clock situation. Okay, here we go. So the clock is, let me move this stuff out the way. Okay, so there's a clock in Times Square that has 7 years, 101 days, and 12 hours, 21 minutes, 59 seconds. Okay, so nobody really knows what the clock is, but what I did was I went and started counting down to our next Passover and our next holy days, and lo and behold, oh my goodness, brothers and sisters, it's to the date of the first day of the year. And you know how they like to do everything by our holy days, by our Sabbaths. So everything is in tune with our Sabbaths, brothers and sisters. They are not playing. So I just wanted to do a quick one to show you guys. They are not playing with us, and I pray that you're making your way. I know they're starting these shutdowns again. So I'm hoping and praying that you all are taking note, because we are too. So I did a little, little times table thing. And I did it a couple of days ago, but I just hadn't had time to talk about it. So I'm just doing it really quickly. 7 years, 102 days, 12 hours. And I did December, January, and February. Added that up in 90 days. And then another 12 days comes straight to March 6th, our Shabbat. And at Saturday at sundown, which is Sunday, March 7th, is our first day of the year. We know the Sabbath is the last day of the year. And so Saturday is the first day of the year. So that clock, that 7 years, 102 days, that 102 days brings us right to our first day of the year, guys. So I pray, and then we're supposed to do 7 years. When you go into Daniel's 12 and 11, it says, and from the time that the daily sacrifice shall be taken away, and the abomination that maketh desolate set up, there shall be 1,290 days. And that's about 3.5 years. About three and a half years going by the 364-day calendar. And then Daniel 12 and 12, it says, blessed is he that waiteth and cometh to the 1,305 and 30 days. And that is a little over 3.5 years. So Daniel 12 calculation is a little less than 3.5 years, and 12 and 12 is a little more than 3.5 years. So it kind of adds up to the whole 7 years, guys. Now we have to really go into the teaching on that Daniel's in 7 years, because I know there's a teaching about 1,000 years, 2,000, and it's the consummation of times. I understand that whole thing, but it just so happens that this 102 days really goes down to our new year. This countdown here that we see is counting down to our new year. And it's also, if you are paying attention, now this is even more amazing, because I do my calendar like years in advance. Okay, I do years in advance. And so this year and next year, we're kind of lining up. The calendars are lining up even to the Gregorian calendar, which is it's like we're coming to a even kill. Like we're starting the clock at 0 again. It's amazing. And so I think it's this year. I have to look at it again, guys. This year is kind of, the clock evens out. And it's like we're starting all over. So this whole 7-year count that's coming up, and then the last 3.5 years is supposed to be like when we are waiting for Yashaya to show up and all this stuff, and it's Jacob's trouble. I mean, all that stuff is kind of coming together. So I just wanted to do a quick video to put it in your mind, guys, that it is time. And I pray that you're getting out of Babylon. I pray you're not sitting there waiting and thinking that you can sit in America. Everything that we know is all about us making it to the wilderness. The time is now, and especially while they're fighting, while this situation with Joe Biden and Joe, I'm sorry, I'm a little, okay, Joe Biden and Trump, while they're clashing, and this thing is only going to heat up if Trump continues to push. And if there's a big fight, they're distracted right now. This is the time to make your way out. And I know that things are closing down and shutting down, but you guys better figure out a way, because it's time to get out. Okay, so I just wanted to get through a quick video about that clock, and it happens to correlate with the first day of the year coming, and then 14 days later is our Passover. Praise AHAYAH Bahashem Yashaya. And let me just show you that really quickly, if I can. Hold on. Okay, let me show you that really quickly, because this is very important that you understand and you know what to look for, so that there's no deception, nobody playing around. Okay, we don't have no time for that. Okay, so here we go. Let me just move this up and see if I can make this bigger. Oh, no, I can't. Okay, so this is it, guys. Okay, so if you can see right here is the first day of the year. This Sabbath is the last day of the year, which is March 6th. So, and that's a Saturday. And March 7th, Sunday, is the first day of our Holy New Year. It's a Sunday, and it's the first day. 14 days later, as you can see at sundown, is the Passover. This is where we kill our, lamb, and it's that Sunday, the 21st day, which is the 15th day, which is March 21st, starts the Passover. The Passover starts at even on Shabbat sundown, and we count the whole 7 days. Okay, so just know that clock that you see at Times Square counts down right to the first day of our year. Our new year on Sunday, it lines up perfectly. So, you need to pay attention to that. Know that y'all need to get out of Babylon. That clock ain't up there for nothing. And it starts when Jacob's trouble, when we supposed to be, Daniel's 12 and 11 and Daniel 12 and 12, those scriptures telling you about the daily sacrifice being taken away. So that means something is going to happen in this time where the food is probably going to get cut off. Maybe the dollar is going to drop. Maybe, or anything is possible, guys. I want you to stay alert. Just like in 2 Thessalonians, we are not asleep. We know what's going on. Get out of Babylon. These are the times that Christ warned you about. The time of his coming. This is it. It's culminating. Get out. I pray you all be blessed. I pray to see you in the wilderness. I pray AHAYAH Bahashem Yashaya for you, for your complete protection over you as the children of Israel. But I pray you are obedient and you obey to come out of Babylon. AHAYAH said, come out of her, my people. So I give all glory and praise to AHAYAH Bahashem Yashaya. I just wanted to do a quick video to just wake you up a bit and make you pay attention to that clock. Our first day of the year, right before our Passover and our New Year, it adds right up perfectly. Shalom. I pray all is well. Y'all be safe. Okay. Bye.